And morning, this is Paul Stevens, My Jeep WJ. This is an update on the 2008 Expedition. And from previous videos, you know that we went to Houston for the Thanksgiving holidays, had a breakdown on the road, and we were towed into a Ford dealer where they replaced the fuel pump on this thing, and they got us in and out pretty quick. Well, as at the Ford dealer, the driver's door handle inside broke in two. I ordered a reasonable priced door handle. I can't remember the manufacturer. I'll put it in this video somewhere. I think it cost about somewhere $14-15, wasn't much, but the door handle is pretty easy fix, and what it did, it broke right where it pivots on that shaft back there, and it was a pretty easy fix. All I had to do is take this panel off. I did partially take my this entire panel off, but not all the way, just so I'd have a little more room to work. You could, if you take it off, it'll definitely make it a super easy job. But anyway, it wasn't that hard. The cable wasn't broken or anything. All I had to do is put the new door, put the new door handle in there. There's plenty of videos on how to install this door handle, and I'm happy to say that my redneck fix that I did in here, and it's on an earlier video when I was working on this, when I put this regulator in. I had a problem keeping the bottom of that shaft that this handle pivots on. I don't know, somehow I had to make a repair in here, and it was putting a lot of pressure on it, and it was pushing that shaft out, and I put a zip tie in there, and the whole pressure on that shaft pulled it backwards, and it worked, and it was still in place, and you see it's working great. Anyway, that's it was a quick fix. It was easy, and there's lots of videos on YouTube on how to put these door handles, how to install them. So I'm not going to go any further than that. I'm going to make a quick video on this. This is more to let you know that I'm still here, because I haven't made too much progress on my Jeep or anything. I've had medical problems. We had problems on this last trip to Houston with this Expedition quitting on us at night on a busy I-10, which wasn't fun. But anyway, that's my Jeep update for now, and we'll see you in the next video. My Jeep WJ out.